Today I will be presenting to you two different ways to solve water contamination. Now, when you have stormwater, the stormwater goes down into our drainage system, and a lot of the times, the water from that drainage system is littered. So what happens is it ends up at these urban hotspots to filter stormwater, and this is the first step to filtration, which is StormX, and here's my recreation of it. So on the left side, you have the dirty littered water that enters, and it can't get through unless it goes to the barrier, which takes it through StormX, and then everything that is let out of it is the clean, filtered water, or at least the first step to filtration, and what's left inside is the trash. Now, everything over 5 millimeters is caught inside of StormX. StormX also helps to decrease the levels of nitrogen and phosphorus inside of the water. And if we were to recycle the trash that is inside or caught inside of StormX, we could decrease water pollution by 36%. Now basically how that works is making items out of this used or recycled material rather than just starting new decreases water pollution, which in turn decreases water contamination. Now, the second method of water decontamination is a DIY water filter. So the first thing that we have is gravel. Now the gravel will take out the things like the bugs. Second thing we have is sand. That takes out things like parasites or small organisms. Third thing that we have is activated charcoal. Now what activated charcoal does is chemical absorption happens. So things like nitrogen, maybe phosphorus, iron, contaminants like that will be removed. And lastly, we have cloth, just to purify it, to make sure that no sand, no gravel, no little pieces of sediment ends up inside of your water. So here we have dirty lake water. And you pour this inside of the DIY filter, and out comes your clean, purified water.